The other way to check the conditional statement is using the unless. So the unless is the opposite of if. It runs if a condition is false. So if a condition is false, then this block is going to run. Let's give an example. So let's say here I will comment all of this out, and I will say this is the syntax. You have the curly brace, % everywhere, and you write unless, and you must close it just like the if statement. So double curly again. You have the percentage sign, and then you have the end unless tag. And here we can say something like this. So this is a gift product, okay? And here we're gonna write a condition. So we can say unless product that type is equal to snowboard. All right. So before I run it, as it is looking the same, let me put this is another type of product. Let's say something like this. All right. So before I save it, product. So just understand that the unless is the opposite of the if. Okay. The if runs the block of code inside it if condition is true. But the unless here working the opposite way. So it's running the block inside it if the condition here is false. If this condition is evaluating to false, then in this case it's going to run the block inside it. So if I try here, we're going to have this is another type of product, because in this case here, okay, this product is not the snowboard type. Okay, so it is false. That's why it's running the block inside it. And even inside the unless, you can also use the else tag just like you use in the if. Okay, and you can have it like this, not like this. Yeah, so you can have even the else tag inside the unless. Okay, it's just like the if. This is going to be like the fallback in a case this is like it's not false, then we're gonna have the else like running as a fallback. It's working the same as in if statement.